Hear me. Sometimes separation is not punishment. Sometimes it is protection. Sometimes God sees what a woman cannot see behind closed doors, those private conversations. He sees what that connection is feeding her. He sees what that relationship keeps draining from her. He sees what that friendship keeps delaying in her. He sees how that tie is affecting her peace, her obedience, her clarity, and her identity. And because he loves her, he breaks what she is trying to save. That is a hard word, but it is a real one, because some women keep calling it love when heaven is calling it bondage. Some women keep calling it loyalty when heaven is calling it delay. Some women keep calling it history when heaven is saying, this can't go where I'm taking you. It hurts when God removes something your flesh was still attached to. It hurts when he separates you from what was familiar. It hurts when he closes the door you kept trying to hold open. It hurts when the connection changes before your heart is ready. But hurt does not always mean the separation was wrong. Because some of you have been measuring the will of God by how painful it felt. You said, if it hurt this bad, maybe it wasn't God. Sometimes it hurt because your soul was attached.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I am DeCardia, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer. If you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe, okay? So in today's video, I have I have a new wig from not YouTube. I have a new wig from Amazon, and you know, I've seen this a little bit everywhere, but it was like I seen it on Instagram, I seen it on TikTok, and I'm like, let me try this unit out, okay? I'm not for sure if you guys ever heard of brown beauty, because it's not even a word, bro. You guys heard of brown bomb units? I have one today, and I'm excited to try it with you guys, okay? So I'm so excited to try this unit with you guys, and hopefully you guys can go on their Amazon and look at that stuff they got. Let me show you guys this unit. So the unit came in this package. This is the brown bomb black and blonde glueless wig. So you can wear this glueless, y'all. Let's go ahead, let's open her up. And I actually love this little pouch. Like, girl, a wig is up in here. This is so cute. This would be good for like a makeup bag, but it kind of ripped right there, so yeah, I won't be able to use it for a makeup bag. That's my problem. I need to throw stuff away. I ain't trying to be a hoarder or anything, because what's the point of me keeping this? I mean, I'll keep it, but what's the point? All right, let's open this up. Oh, this is so cute. Look at, y'all. You could probably use this for a lunchbox. It's like the, yeah, whatever. Okay, so it has this in here. User manual. They want to show you how to apply a unit, but you don't need this when you got big dog over here, okay? You don't need no manual to install no wigs. What am I here for? I'm here to help. So whenever you see this, just toss it away. You have me, okay? Let's continue on. Okay, this is so, why is this so cute to me? Like, why would I want to throw this away? Why? Because this, why? I'm keeping all of it. Even that manual I threw over my head. How fancy. Let's see what we have up in here, you guys. Ew. Okay, so, oh, whoa, okay. So right off the bat, without me taking it out of the hairnet, this is literally a glueless unit. This is a pre-cut unit. I don't have to cut, right? Oh girl, this is so cute. Wow. Oh wow, she's pretty. She's really, All right, so let's get into the details. Right off the bat, she's long. She's shedding a little bit. I don't know about that. She needs to not shed at this time while I ain't even put her on my head yet. Look at these back here. Look at this color in the back. It's a peekaboo. It's a peekaboo in the back. Like, what? And it's also all the way up here. I'm loving it. Okay. It's a middle part, and this is a pre-cut unit, so it's already cut. Y'all, she ain't got no combs, but she ain't even got no adjustable straps, but she has a band, and it's a decent size little rubbery piece on the band so it won't slip. That's all right. She's pretty thick. Like, this is the inside of the cap. She's pretty good, like even down to here, like how it's just thick around the cap. I can't be mad at this unit right now. It doesn't offer a lot, but it just seems like it would be secure. It's so lightweight. It is very thin. It seems realistic. It's decent. I like this. And the color, like you can see, but you can't see. Oh, this is gonna be cute. Okay, calm down. It ain't that deep. Alrighty, so let's get started. I have my stocking cap on already, foundation on it already. I am actually pretty much good to go. So I'm not gonna put any foundation. Oh, the lace. I forgot to show you guys the lace. Look at the lace. It's not even a lot. It's literally just right here in the middle. Okay. This is a different synthetic wig I never had before. Like, you know those units with the little piece of lace? This is kind of what it's giving, but this is a more upgraded one, if that makes sense. You know? I don't think that makes sense. It might to some, but it might not to a lot. I don't know. I'm weird. I think weird, okay?
Straight up.
Okay, so let me see here. Let me split this. Because this ain't looking too good to me. I don't know why. This is not looking too good. This is cute. I like the way that this is flipped, but we need to do something about this at the top because this is looking, what is going on? Let's fix her up a little bit. She's not bad looking. She's doable. She's cute.
30 hertz straight up.
So at this moment, I was trying to figure out if I should use my Got2B spray or not because it does look good fresh out the pack. But, you know, your girl, I'm going to lay it down just because. You know what I'm saying? right here, this unit right here, it didn't take me long at all. This is a cute unit. So first things first, let's talk about her. Okay, so I did pluck, and it was, you know, it wasn't a lot to pluck. It was literally in this area, and that was it. I did put a little heat to the top of it, and I put a little like this Fendi hair edge control right here at the top so I can have it down. But I also use my hot comb as well to slick it down. Now other than that, y'all, I ain't cut no layers in it. I ain't do none of that, baby. This is good. This is like, I love it. Me putting this wig on, it was like a side part when I was putting it on, and it was cute as well. But I feel like you can wear it either way, side or middle. But you know, this was cute, y'all. The colors, like, look at the color. Okay, give it enough of the blonde. I absolutely love it. It's not too much of it, and it's not too much of the black. It's cute. I love the balance. I love it. And if I were to give this unit a rating, I absolutely love this unit. I would give her a 9. What? I would give her a 9.
No.
I will give her a 8. The reason why I gave her an 8 is because I wish that this was better than what it was. Like, I had more lace to, you know what I'm saying? I mean, it's cool. It's cool. I like the way it is. I do. But I am going to give it an 8. A solid 8. Okay. I'm obsessed with this. Like, this is really, really cute. I like it. But anyway, I have nothing else to say, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like I always say in all my videos, if you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Straight up.